I've only got 60 seconds to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath cabin near this lake. Let's go explore. When you enter the home, first thing you see is this large living room with a fireplace. There's actually a sunroom that covers the length of the house and a dining room off the side. When you walk from the dining room, you go into the kitchen, and from the kitchen you'll see in the very back you'll have a pantry and a laundry area. You also have a second family room, also with a wood stove. First bedroom is in the first floor, literally across the hallway from the main bath. Then we go upstairs. To our right, we have the master suite, and the master bedroom also leads to a second floor sunroom. Inside the master bath, you have a tub, you have a shower, a walk-in closet. We go over to the third bedroom, and it also has its own ensuite bathroom. I'm JR, and our team's goal is you have a 5-star real estate experience living in Redding, where the world wants to live.